Hello everyone, my name is Noah and today we're going to read a book for you. The book's name is There is a Bird on Your Head. The bird on your head is about an elephant named Gerald and a pig named Piggy. Gerald is careful, Piggy is not. Piggy can't not help smiling, but Gerald can. Gerald worries so that Piggy doesn't have to worry. Gerald and Piggy are best friends. In the book, Gerald discovers that there is something worse than a bird on your head. It's two birds on his head. Can Piggy help her best friend or not? Today we have Jaden and Cody that's gonna read for you guys, so I hope you enjoy it.
Hey guys, we'll be reading There's a Bird on Your Head. I'm Jaden, this is Cody. I'm going to be reading as Elephant and he'll be reading as Piggy. And we have Noah here as our narrator. Okay, let's begin.
On the first page we can see that the bird is closing in on Gerald's head.
Piggy!
Here we can see that Gerald, the elephant, realized that the bird landed on his head.
Is something on my head?
Yes.
Now both Gerald and Piggy realize that there is something on his head.
There is a bird on your head.
There's a bird on my head?
Gerald got confused by realizing that there was a bird that was on his head.
Ah!
After being confused, Gerald got really scared by the bird that was on his head.
Is there a bird on my head now?
No.
Now, the bird is no longer on Gerald's head.
Now there are two birds on your head.
Now, there has been two birds landed on Gerald's head.
What are two birds doing on my head?
They are in love.
Oh.
Gerald realizes that there's actually two birds on his head.
The birds on my head are in love.
They are lovebirds.
Gerald is confused that there is two birds on his head, and Piggy makes a joke that the birds love each other.
Lovebirds. How do you know they are lovebirds?
Gerald asks Piggy of how we can know that the birds love each other.
They are making a nest.
Two birds are making a nest on my head?
Gerald are surprised that the birds are actually making a nest on his head.
Why would two birds make a nest on my head?
Gerald doesn't understand why the birds would make a nest on his head.
I'm afraid to ask.
Gerald is now confused and surprised by the nest on his head.
Do I have an egg on my head?
Now Gerald thinks that there is eggs on his head.
1, 2.
Piggy explains that there are two eggs on Gerald's head.
You have 3 eggs on your head.
There are 3 eggs on Gerald's head, not 2.
I do not want 3 eggs on my head.
Then I have good news.
Gerald didn't like that there was 3 eggs on his head.
The eggs are gone?
The eggs are hatching.
Gerald thought that the eggs were gone, but Piggy told him that they were actually hatching.
Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching?
Gerald got really surprised by the eggs that were hatching on his head.
It's the truth. They have hatched.
Gerald realized that the eggs have been hatched.
Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head.
And 2 birds in a nest.
Gerald and Piggy realizes that there are 3 baby chicks on his head.
I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head.
Where do you want them?
Gerald didn't like that there was 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on his head, and Piggy didn't understand where Gerald wanted them to be.
Somewhere else!
Gerald wanted them to be somewhere else than on his head.
Why not ask them to go somewhere else?
Ask them.
Ask them.
Piggy says that Gerald should just ask them to go somewhere else than on his head.
Okay. I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else?
Gerald is very hopeful that if he asks the birds, that they will go somewhere else than on his head.
Who is that?
It worked.
The birds left his head.
Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much.
Gerald was really thankful that Piggy explained to him how he could get the birds off his head.
You are welcome.
Now Gerald and Piggy are best friends forever because they got the birds off his head.
Happily ever after.
Thank you guys for listening. We hope you enjoyed. We had fun making this video, reading to you There's a Bird on Your Head. I'm Jaden. This is Cody. We have Noah. And behind the camera, our great cameraman Felix. And we hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.